The US government is now editing AI models before you get to use them. Here's what it means for your business. So, OpenAI just released GPT 5.6, amazing model. But before it went public, Sam Altman sat down with the Commerce of Treasury officials and they actually changed the models based on their feedback. He confirmed on the one of the US networks, CNBC, I think, this week. Now, here's why you should care. The AI tools you're building your workflows around, they're no longer just shaped by engineers in San Francisco. They're now being shaped by government policy. That means the capabilities you're counting on today could be rejected, modified, or delayed, or plain just gone tomorrow, based on politics or on other product roadmaps. Well, the upside of this is that the new ChatGPT 5.6 lineup is 54% more efficient on agentic coding tasks. So if you're using AI for dev work, your cost just totally dropped significantly. And I've tested myself. So the move that you need to make, start treating AI capabilities like you treat regulatory risk. Build flexibility into your stack, not dependency. Don't let one model become a single point of failure. See you next time.